Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening. Rivers Assembly threatened to stop getting com- correspondence from Fubara. This is what is happening. They are beginning to stop any form of correspondence. They want to, alienate Fubara and frustrate him. Bottom line put. So the aim and the purpose is frustration. If he's got nobody on his side, he will not be able to do what he needs to do. And at the end of the day, we all see what is going on. So this is another very tactical move of Yeson Wike against, Fubara. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Rivers Assembly threatened to stop getting correspondence from Fubara, says he is on his own. The Rivers State House of Assembly on Wednesday says what is described as alienation and discontinuous behavior of the staff of the government house towards receiving correspondence from the House of Assembly. Amoewa, who made the condemnation during the screening of 9 loyalists of the former governor Yesom Wike's appointment for Fubara. Imagine a former governor is the one making appointment for Fubara, right? The commissioners threatened that if such continues, the House will stop and will cease to receive correspondence from the government. In a statement by Martin, the media advisor to the Speaker, he quoted Amoa as saying, resolution of the House are religiously transmitted to the office of the governor, but staffs of the government house often decline to receive the resolution. Those whose nominations were confirmed were Professor Zacchaeus, Dr. Jacobson, Dr. Gift, Mrs. Imeteme, Engineer Chikwemeka, Professor Chidi, Dr. Duromake, and Mr. Ben as commissioners in Rivers State Executive Council, even after they left willingly. The statement further added that the confirmation is sequel to a letter read on the floor of the House, which was foremost to the House of the Governor Sim Fubara, praying the House to screen and confirm the nominees according to Section 192 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, amended. Now, you guys are after Fubara, yes? But I feel for you. Seriously, sincerely, truly speaking, I feel for you. Have you stopped to think about what is going on with Fubara? A man who came in, agreed with Yesom Wike. They had an agreement and he was not even going to break the agreement, But guess what? Little did he know that Yesom Wike has other plans. The revenue of the states coming in, Yesom Wike has already prepared grounds to be receiving it. And when the young man asked questions and changed the account details, Wike raised an alarm. Oh, the structure he has built has been destroyed. Yesom Wike, before you became governor for 8 years, you have been local government chairman, you have been commissioner, so you have never lacked a day. Just a question, what do you do with all the money? This is just me, finding out. Do you sleep in more than one bed at a time? Do you drive in more than one car at a time? Do you wear 2 clothes on? Of course, you can't do that. People will say you are going crazy. What do we do? When others are barely getting by, but a small group of people, okay, take what belongs to everybody unapologetically, and they want every other person to begin to be subject to them, whether you like it or not. Let's be honest with ourselves. Why frustrate the young man when you yourself have already been a governor? How many times? Now, Tinubu went ahead and even, made it worse, read out some point agenda to Fubara, which he had no choice but to accept. People who willingly resign. Tinubu said they must be reinstated after joining his party. In the program of fairness, where is that instated? Because let's call a spade a spade. Let's stop lying to ourselves and see what we could possibly do to make this nation a better place. If we continue to lie, if we continue to do what we do, how do we make a difference? And how do we make Nigeria a better place? Every one of us knows exactly what is going on. And unless we are very honest and truthful to ourselves, we may not be able to get through to the end and understand all of this. It is important that we do not allow the same thing over and over again. Nigerians, we need sincere, true, honest people that will help us as a nation, become a better people and a better nation. If we keep lying to ourselves and we keep pretending, how far do we go from here? Let's tell ourselves the truth. And let's ensure that we do not leave these things to chance. Every one of us have got an opportunity to make a difference. Can we really make it work? Can we make it work? So these are part of the things that are going on. And whether you like it or not, it is important that we do not leave this nation, hang, and, why we allow people who are not people, so to say, whose mission statement is more selfish than selfish, to lead when they have nothing, really sincerely, truly nothing to offer. If there's any time where we all need to rise up and ensure we stick together, it is now more than ever before. Please don't forget, you are important. Every one of us must do all that we possibly can to change the course of this nation and bring us into a better place. We need to, do everything, humanly speaking, to bring this nation to the best. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Remember, if we keep pretending, we will not be able to get to the very end and get out the truth. God bless. Bye for now.